this outcome and recover our victory.
Doho ong'ado ni Karan machon ma county ma Homa Bay Bob Kephas Otieno nyaka duok omenda maromo $26 mane ochul min ode kuom orak manigi rem timo. Doho koro chiwo thuolo ne duol makedo gi mibadhi EACC mondo luw kendo one ni Bob Kephas mane en Karan ten county mokwongo ma Homa Bay oduoko omenda go. Doho bendo lero ni min od Kephas nomi orak mar tij county e yo ma oko puodhi kendo no oko timo tija manochulene.
We were dealing with a case of conflict of interest. As I've just told you, Bob Kephas was the clerk to the county assembly, and his wife, who was also a proprietor of Anyangume Enterprises and working also as a health worker in Marindi Health Center within the same county. This entity, the business entity they had, was getting money from the same county assembly, where the accounting officer is the husband, Bob Kephas. And this very firm had not even been pre-qualified to offer services to the county assembly. Now, when these monies were traced into the account of these Nyangome Enterprises, the signatory of whom was the wife herself, we were still able to see that part of the funds were still getting out of that same account to Bob Kephas, who was the person authorized to transact on behalf of the county assembly. So that's how the conflict of interest came about. So we are happy that we've gotten that favorable ruling and judgment in favor of the commission.
Jopuonj medo yuago fuok manitiere chenro mag